Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today is Monday, so welcome back to our e-learning classes. And today, our class 9, that is Beehive, and already we are just studying, that is packing. Zeram ke zeram. And previous week, two videos. In the two videos we have learned about the packing, and that previous day it was Zeram ki Zeram who has packed, and then it was Harish and George, their turn, who had started packing. So that the thing was that it was a hamper, and in a hamper that all the cooking crockeries and some utensils like cups, plates, kettles, pots, jars, all these things have to be packed, and the food also, that is cakes, cookies, salt, butter, sugar, all these things, jam, tomatoes, all these things have to be packed. And that Zeram ki Zeram's turn was over. He had completed packing his bag, and now this is Harish and George's turn, and now they will pack. And George and Harish, and according to Zeram ki Zeram, that Harish is the worst packer. But still Harish and George, they had started their packing, and they started in a very jolly mood, and in a very light-hearted mood, in a very happy way they have started. Obviously they wanted to show that to Zeram ki Zeram, this is called packing. What's the difficulty in it? So now you see that how the packing could be and how it is a nice thing. And when they have gathered all the things together, then Zeram ki Zeram, he had just sat at the corner of a table, and he was just waiting for the thing. Soon it will be interesting. And that Harish and George, they had started, and they started packing by breaking a cup. So naturally, when you will do something wrong, then you will be hesitant, and same thing happened. But George, he did not say anything. He was just looking, and this silence watching, it made them more irritated. But still they had started packing. So first they have kept tomatoes at the bottom. Then on the tomato, they tried to keep the jam, and they have squashed it, smashed it. And then they tried to then they started keeping the sharp things at the bottom, and the hard things on the top of the sharp things. Then what will happen? Then the sharp things, all the things will be damaged, all the things will be spoiled. Then they tried to pack a salt pot inside, but the lid was open, and over everything the salt was spread. Then these things were happening, and then soon they become puzzled. When these things were happening, and they very soon they understood, they came to know that the way they are packing, that is a very wrong way they are packing, and it is they can't do it properly. So inside them they are becoming tense, they are becoming anxious, and naturally that it was that impact was there on their work. And there was butter, and that George trod on it. Trod on means suppose butter was kept over there and George wanted to go somewhere and he had trod on it. And then under the slipper he tried to take out the butter. Then he tried to keep it inside the kettle, but it was not going inside. Then he had taken it out and they kept that butter on a chair, and then Hari sat on it, on the chair. Then they were looking for it, searching for it. Where is the butter? Then Hari was telling that I can take the word that just now I have kept over here. I have kept it on the chair. Then George told that I myself have seen to do you that. Then both of them, then they just all over the room they tried to look for the butter, but they could not find that they did not find the butter. Then where that the butter has gone? And Jerome he was just looking, he was just watching that how nicely his two friends Harris and George they were packing. Then both of them they came in the middle of the room. Then again they have started looking the whole room. Then suddenly George told that Harris, you can't stand up properly for some time. Then Harris was standing, he stood over there, and suddenly George found that at the back of Harris the butter was there. Oh my God! The butter was there. It had been over there, and he has taken the butter from Harris's bag. And Jerome was telling that I have hardly found such behavior that worth 2 pence butter somebody can do. Means that his two friends Harris and George, what was the price of the butter? That was 2 pence. So it was negligible. But for that butter, they not only wasted much time, but they just looked for the whole room. What they have not done, that at the bottom of the slipper it was stuck and they have taken it. Then it was stuck at the back of Harris. Then also they have taken that butter from there. So it was Harris and George. So that this was called butter episode, and this is also very much important. So student, you should watch the video and you should learn your book properly, because that 5 marks to 8 marks question may come from this episode, that is called butter episode. And one more episode is there, that is called Montmorency episode. Montmorency, it is a dog. It is Jerome's pet dog, and that they are packing, so that huge things were there piled over there. And Montmorency, that he just went over there, he is just going everywhere and he is sitting on the things. And when they are just stretching their hand for something, they want to get something and to pack something, it was Montmorency's damp and wetty nose. So whenever that you want, suppose you want something and your hand is touching that Montmorency's nose, then what you will do? You will be very angry, and again Montmorency will do that. So that is called Montmorency episode. And tomorrow we will study, we will learn Montmorency episode, and most probably today we will complete the chapter. So thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.